Okay, welcome back to our DIY golf club restoration beginner series. If you're just jumping in, you missed a few steps, don't worry about that. I'll put links in the description, but we'll get you caught up here. We selected a stainless steel club because those are the easiest to work with if you're just getting started. We mapped over our restoration steps and the things we want to accomplish out of this restoration in terms of finishes and areas we want to avoid. We removed the club head from the shaft. It took us about 2 minutes to do that. And now we're going to remove the paint fill just to give us a clean slate so we know what we're working with here. If you're following along with the book, we're in chapter 7. What we're going to do is we're going to use paint stripper. And this is generally enamel paint. So paint stripper or nail polish remover will soften the paint. You can just kind of pick it out. So we'll use that. And I realize that some of you don't have access to chemicals like this in your country. You could heat it with your torch and kind of flake it out of there and pick it with a metal pick, or just use a metal wire brush to scrape out the paint. That would work as well. And if worst comes to worst, you could just leave it in there. It doesn't matter. You're going to paint over it anyways. On a stainless steel club, it's not going to matter. We're going to work with chemicals. That means I'm going to use gloves. I got plenty of ventilation in the room. And then I need to mask off any areas that I want to protect. We don't know what that's made out of. Could be plastic. So I'm just going to put a piece of tape over the cavity there, and then I'm going to brush the paint stripper onto the golf club, let it sit, let it soften, just brush that out of there, done. And then we can weigh the club and get an accurate idea of how much this weighs before we do our restoration steps. Came out pretty clean. Looks good to me. So now what we're going to do is we're going to weigh the club to get our initial starting weight so that we can see during the restoration process how much weight we lost during sanding and polishing and all those steps. How we're going to do that is we're going to use a gram scale, and you can use a kitchen scale, but this seems to work really well. Every stoner has one of these. I have one of these. So we're going to set the units of measurement to grams, set the club on it, and then we're just going to write down how much it weighs. This next step that we're going to do is really where you're going to see the biggest transformation, and that is scratch and dent repair.